Hi, hello. Dahil medyo syung ako at iniwan ko yung isa kong bag na laging nasa loob ng bag ko rin. Nakalimutan ko na nandun pala yung mic ko. So, hindi ako makapag-film dito right now. Yeah? Naririnig nyo ay lahat na nandyan. Pero tayo ngayon ay nasa Sydney Opera House. Tayo nasa Sydney Harbor. Ganyan. So, itutour ko na lang kayo saglit. Boom! Makikita mo, banda doon is like the bridge. May bridge like over there. Period. Ayan. Tapos yung Sydney. Ito yung Opera House. Aching ako. Ilan naman? Back to you, Gab. Ayan, maraming salamat, Gab. Hi, it is currently 3:42 a.m. At ako ay nasa Haymarket Station ng Light Rail ng dito sa may Sydney. That's the central station right there. Andyan ako bumaba from the airport. So like, dire-diretso siya. Sobrang aga na dito. Like exactly at this spot rin kanina, I was talking with a friend that I made sa camp. By the way, nasa Sydney ako ngayon for Monsters of Afro. Yeah, ito na to. I'm nasa Sydney na for Monsters of Afro. And I'm just being hit with anong tawag doon? Hindi yung somber eh. Iba yung somber. Alam ko yung somber yung parang feeling na parang realizing na parang people are so small and people have so many things and my problems are insignificant and there's so many people. Like something ganon na feeling somber, diba? Pero ang nafe-feel ko is like literal gratitude lang. And like I feel nahit lang siguro ko na parang am I taking this for granted? That is the question. I just wanna be grateful. Actually, kasi sa sobrang bilis rin ng buhay ko. And to my friends that know that at alam ang calendar ko. At nasilip na siya. Sobrang puno niya. I have school, I have dance, I have training. I have ang work ko rin is yun. I have social media. And so sometimes sa sobrang dami ng pangyayari ay hindi ko na officially like na-take in. Like last week lang I was in Thailand. A whole different country and now I'm here. That is just crazy to me. I'm just like really grateful. I just wanna be grateful sa buong video na to. Na Gab, look. Nandito na tayo. At meron tayong resources. We have opportunities to fund these trips. To learn at like kung anong kinikita natin sa ating pagsasayaw at sa ating sa Afro, specifically sa Afro, ibinabalik rin natin sa kanya through these. Nababalik natin sa kanya through joining Afrojam and meeting credible teachers and investing in my craft and investing in what I want to know and investing in the culture na hinihiram ko. Binabalik ko pa rin sa kanya. And then, pag uwi ko sa bahay, I mean, hindi ko pa talaga like fully napaprocess yung Afrojam like last weekend. And then, may nadagdag na naman this Monsters of Afro sa Sydney. With the new friends that I made, with the new experience that I made. Actually, bumatel ako today. That is crazy. Bumatel ako today. In a place so far away from home, in a place where no one knows me, and I made friends there. Like, ginive ko lang talaga sa self ko na, hello, wow, Gab, all this training that you do, I mean, like, kasi iba rin naman kasi talaga ang intelligence pagdating sa, ibang skill rin kasi talaga ang pag-freestyle at pag-battle even, magkaiba pa yun. Kasi freestyle, like, pwedeng on your own lang eh, pero like sa battle talaga may tactics, may techniques. Yeah, it's a whole different thing. It's a whole different monster. Pero, nailabas ko lang here. And whatever I learned from Afrojam, na-apply ko here. Siguro yun rin yung isa sa mga pinanghawakan ko. Specifically, Precious's class sa Afrojam last weekend is what led me to my first international battle. Not my very first battle, pero international battle. Yeah, we landed dito sa Monsters of Afro and we tested our skill. We tried it. Sinubukan natin siya. And sobrang fun niya pala. And ang saya lang maka-exchange ng iba pang mga tao through battles. It's a whole different thing. And gusto ko pa siya i-try gusto ko pa siya i-try. Wag lang ako pangunahan lagi ng kaba ko at ng takot. You know? Pero yeah, look at us. We are here. Nandito tayo at nire-invest natin ang lahat papunta sa kanya. And I just wanna take this moment to just breathe it all in. At sobrang excited akong umuwi and to train with my friends. Kasi ang dami kong gustong i-share sa kanila na that actually led me to doing this first battle. 'Di ba? Para sa kanila to. Para sa kanila to. As in like sobrang excited na ako like i-share talaga sa kanila. Last weekend I just saw Willie sa Afro Jam last week sa Thailand, and now nakita ko ulit siya here. Also Precious. Unfortunately, I did not get to see Kay dahil nahirapan siya sa visa niya. He is my mentor for Amapiano. Actually nag-uusap kami ngayon, and actually naalala ko na may kailangan ko bang isend sa kanya isang bago. I need to do rerun yung na aral ko sa Afrojam, and after that I need to send it to him para mapacheck ko sa kanya yung mga natutunan ko, and kailangan ko niya kasi like i-critique yun, di ba? So yeah, I need to send it to him. Nag-usap kami. Unfortunately hindi siya nakita this time. Yeah, pero we're here. At mag-isa. First time ko pumunta sa ibang lugar. Sa international. Sa ibang bansa na mag-isa lang ako. Wala akong Afro-Pilipinas na kasama dito. Ako lang talaga mag-isa to. Wala akong like any other friends. Wala akong UP sa kasama dito. Like for real. Like wala talaga. Mag-isa lang talaga siya. And I would like to thank my experience like sa Afrojam, sa Thailand, and sa States rin. And natuto na ako mag-book sa Agoda at mag-book ng sarili kong flights and to get check-in baggage. Like natuto na lang talaga ako. Maraming salamat sa mga experience na yun. Pero yeah, we are here. Like we are here. And sobrang excited ulit sa mga susunod pa na mga camps na mapupunta ako na ganito, where my skills and my dance will take me. Kasi like legit, Gab, I just wanna say na pinapangarap mo lang to noon. Doon nga pinapangarap mo lang mag-teach ng class eh. At like makalikom ng pondo para mailaan mo ulit doon sa inaaral mo. And like after 5 years we're here. Sobrang excited ako sa mga pwede pa nating puntahan at sa mga ma-experience mo pa, Gab. Pagdating sa freestyle mo, pagdating sa choreo mo, pagdating sa pagbabattle mo, pagdating sa pagtuturo mo even. Sobrang excited sa mga pwede pang mangyari. And dahil ginagawa na natin to, I mean, I should have done this like sa Thailand. I should have done this sa States. Alam mo yun? Pero life is just so fast, and I just want you to take this moment, Gab, to breathe everything in. Kasi I know you won't be stopping anytime soon. Alam mo sa sarili mo na ang dami pang pwedeng alamin, ang dami pang kailangan i-master, ang dami pang pwedeng matutunan, ang dami pang pwedeng makilalang tao. At sobrang excited ako para sa lahat ng yun. This time, mag-isa ako sa Sydney and I made a lot of friends. Like legit. May namit ako from Melbourne. From Melbourne. Pinoy tayo. Melbourne. Meron akong mga na-meet from Melbourne. Meron akong na-meet from here. May mga Pinoy ako na-meet because of ADCC nung Saturday, Australian Dance Crew Championships. Na-meet ko doon. Nakita ko ulit si Ate Shishi, Coach Cutie dito. Sila Russell, ang mga Digyals, ang other mga Pinoy teams representing the Philippines here sa Sydney na based na dito. Si Kuya Manu na meet ko today. Nakapunta ako sa Opera House mag-isa. Na-enjoy kong i-figure out yung transport system nila dito. Ako yung nag-take nito literal na light rail na to. So fun. Here's my hotel. And then step out ka lang, bam, this is the station. You can go straight to the Opera House. Sobrang fun. I get to try a lot of food. Side note, don't get Macas. Ang breading na chicken nila dito is like sobrang kapal at yung flavor I think is nasa breading, not the chicken. I think the chicken is unseasoned. Nandun sa breading yung thing. Um, I don't really like macas. Even the chips are like, oh, chips! Fries lang yan sa atin. The chips are, mid. Nothing special. Get Taco Bell here. Taco Bell anywhere is good. Pero fun fact, hindi ko pa natatry ang Taco Bell sa Pilipinas. Ever. Oh, hindi. Wait. No. Treat yun sa akin ni Isaac. Pero hindi ko na rin maalala. So I'm not counting it. Okay. Get KFC, babes. KFC is good everywhere. What? Like KFC sa Thailand. Hello with the Wingzab. KFC here is amazing as well. There is Wingstop in Sydney. Not in Melbourne. Pero Sydney. At Wingstop kami kanina dito. Yung friend ko na na-meet. Yeah. Hungry Jack's is Burger King. Okay rin siya. Hungry Jack's is amazing as well. And yeah, natatry ko itong mga bagay na to dahil sa mga pinaggagawa ko sa buhay ko. I just want you, Gab, na pasalamatan si Pas Gab. Pasalamatan mo si self. Like right now. Kasi wala tayo dito if not because of him. At syempre, hindi lang to for all the self. This is for everyone that supported me. My family, si ate, Afro-Pilipinas, si ate Kate, mga gambas, other friends pa in the community, the people who invited me to teach at mag-share ng Afro sa mga lugar nila. Nung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ako dito. Pinondohan nyo to. Hindi po tayo naipababy. Kung naipababy ako, kayo ang aking politic contractor. Anyway, pero lahat na naging host ko, sa lahat na naging classes ko, we are here. This is for you. Sa mga nagtitake ng classes ko, sa lahat ng kaibigan ko, sa mga sumusuporta sa akin, nagmamahal sa akin, kay Jeremy, ang lamig. Ang lamig lang talaga. Sobrang lamig lang dito. And I'm taking it all in. Look, naka-shorts ako. At sobrang lamig. Kasi pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas, wala na nito eh. At sa may the aircon lang na kwarto. Or like sa isang kwarto sa SV Hall. No, like sa SV building sa Adamsa. Pero anyway, wow. So excited for everything that will come after this. So excited for the next Afro Jam. So excited for the year that I'll get to experience Oyofe. So excited for the other people I'll meet. So excited for the people na na-meet ko here and I'll meet soon again. At makapag link up kami again. Excited for the next time I'll be here in Sydney. Excited for the next time. Excited for the first time I'll be in Melbourne. Excited for all the places we get to see soon. Excited for all the things I can share to my lab mates. Actually, this is while I was here in Melbourne, in Sydney. I was like talking to Unfold at saka like talking to the people na mag-host ng class kapag uwi ko ng mga studio sa Maynila. And I was thinking, sabi ni Unfold, ano po yung label namin sa class mo? And I was thinking, I was really inspired by how Ate Kate, kasi like, I think, hindi lang para like, alam mo yun, makatakas like sa responsibilidad when you're teaching Afro. Like, I know that deep within and I know how big the responsibility is. And I really have to be honest with myself if I can share this, you know? And it takes guts. It takes a lot for you to say na, okay, I'm ready. And I think I have substantial, and believing in yourself, and in saying na meron ako substantial knowledge na kaya ko ma-share sa mga gusto, nagsisimula, o like sa mga gusto matuto nito. At mas gusto pang mas gumaling pa kaysa sa akin, mga ganun. And other than that, I was also inspired, like how ako na si Redman or like si Ate Kate, how they label their classes, or like in other like Manila choreographers, other Filipino choreographers pa, and how they teach their classes. And I think I have like a vibe sa class ko. I believe na I have like a certain brand. I know how I structure my classes, and I know I have something special there. Alam mo yun? So parang I wanna do that as well. Like, Redman has this red zone. Sino pa ba to? Si Ate Katrina Tura has her, ano tawag doon? FDY. FDY is Feel the Yard, yung kanyang bago. And then yung kanyang before is Enjoyment Yard. Meron siyang Enjoyment Yard. Like, parang sobrang fun nun. And then, I just thought to myself, ano ba? Ano pwede natin gawin na ganun? Kasi parang ang fun nun. Gusto ko rin. Ang cute nun. I said, I settled on Lolo Labs. Sobrang fun. Kasi I was thinking, like Red Zone, when you hear Red Zone, that's so red, man, that's like so cool, sobrang lit, when you say like Feel the Yard or like Enjoyment Yard, that's like very Ate Katrina Turo branded, that's like very Katrina Turo, and Red Zone is very red, man. What is Gab? And I just know in myself na hindi seryoso si Gab. Like, I really wanna have fun. I'm like a very fun person. And if kaya kong laruin ng isang bagay, nilalaro ko. And then I thought of it, what is a thing na parang like a space? Like, Ate Kate has like a yard, and Redman has a zone. Alam mo yun? Ganun eksanahan. Tapos parang I wanna name the space as well. And I said, parang naisip ko lab. Kasi parang yung next na magiging class ko after Afrojam, and this one, is I really wanna lab something. May natutunan ako kay Cory sa class niya sa Afrojam. And even Sepzilla, na parang sobrang galing nila. Nag-start kami with foundations. Nag-start kami with a bounce. Nag-start kami with something na visible in whatever, na omnipresent. Wow, omnipresent in whatever style they're doing. Dombolo's like bounce sa knees, like ito sa knees. Sepzilla's like, and Willie's tawag dito Jenga, yung swing dito sa taas. And sobrang galing kasi parang na-transfer nyo na, eto lang, ginagawa lang namin itong knees, tapos mamaya nasa vocab na kami. Sobrang galing nun. Sobrang galing na sana, parang nahiwagaan ako. We were just doing knees, and now we're doing malewa. What? Nasa vocab na tayo. And the transition, that's so good. Tapos, kay Sapzilla and kay Willie naman parang nagsa side to side lang kami na ganito. Bigla nasa Abril na kami. Sabi ni Precious, Abril? Oh, tapos yung parang Tokish. Narinig ko yung Tokish sa kanya. Tokish, Abril, and nakalimutan ko isa. Anyway, yeah, so parang ganun. Tapos si Cory din, we were just like doing corners with our hips. And later, we're doing loketo. Crazy. Transition naman niya is very clear. But like, how she did this, and I think, naisip ko parang, I wanna lab something at home. With my friends, with my mates, and with the people who will like probably like join me in my class. So parang lab. Okay, lab. Tapos, dahil doon nga sa plaything, parang gusto ko lang siya laruin. I really like Lolo kasi parang the thing itself is like a joke thing, really. Tapos, it's very me. It's your Lolo Gab. Tapos, Lolo, hindi mo naman siya ma-expect na parang, Lolo Gab. What if Lolo Lab? Lolo Lab. And we do like an alliteration, like an LLL. Tama ba? Alliteration ba tawag doon? Lolo Lab. And then added the S kasi it's like we're labbing things, laboratories, So if they have like a Red Zone has like a zone, Ate Kate has a yard. Ako na lang parang I have a lab. Period. What if one of these days like pumunta ako sa class na naka-lab coat? I don't know. Pero like nandun ako. Yeah. Nandun ako. Yun ang naging thought process ko. How Lolo Labs how Lolo Labs came about. And ewan ko, mga classmate ko siguro din, mga lab mates ko. And sobrang amazing rin kasi while I was thinking, Lolo and Labs, boom. Diba meron tayong podcast before na Lolo Loves You? That connects. So parang, okay, boom. Lolo Labs, one word. Period. Ewan ko, I will probably call like my takers like lab mates. Kasi really, sobrang rambling na nitong video na to. Really, I don't really see myself as a teacher. like a very like a director type, you know. I'm just going through things. I'm just here to learn. And I just really want to share what I learned with you without telling you na parang, students ko kayo. Or like parang, I built you up. Like, hindi ko kailangan nun. Hindi ko kailangan nung validation na yun. Or like yung parang status na yun na parang teacher. You know, like it's just for formality. But really, we're lab mates. We're like classmates here. Yeah? Kasi through every class rin naman, I am also learning how to teach and how to share this properly to you. So, yun lagi ko rin sinasabi sa class na parehas tayong students here. Itong experience na to is for you to learn my Afro at kung paano ko siya natutunan at mga bagay na gusto kong i-share with you. And, number 2, is natututo rin ako sa experience na to. Kasi yung experience na to, it's a different skill to teach. At alam yan, sinasabi yan lang sa amin ni Ate Kate, sinasabi yan sa amin ng iba pang mga tao, ni na Kay. Teaching is a different monster on its own. And hindi porket magaling ka mag-choreograph is magaling ka na magturo. Every time in camps that I've been to, Afro Jam, and what else? Itong MOA, especially itong MOA na to, may mga nakita rin ako na parang differences ng mga pagtuturo ng mga teachers from Afrojam and also yung mga teachers dito. I also get to pick on things. Ito rin yung ang natutunan ko like sa Monsters of Afro specifically, and also even in Afrojam. I get to pick and like pick apart, hindi naman pick apart, pero parang pumipitas ako ng mga bagay na mga gusto kong i-apply in my class, in my sessions, you know? Na parang, gusto ko yung kung paano ginawa ni gusto ko yung paano ginawa ni Corey yung nag-start tayo with ganito, tapos biglang napunta tayo sa vocab. Hindi parang gigive ko lang sa yung vocab. Okay, let's do Chakulibon dance. Let's just do that. Turo ko sa'yo, bang. Let's start with this. With the bounce, with the knees. So parang, gusto ko yun. So parang, okay, pick ko yun. For example, ito sa class na to, I don't like how they are 2 people and they have 2 microphones at the same time, and one is like just dancing, tapos the other one is like nasa side lang, tapos abang nagtuturo siya, kinakat niya yung nagtuturo kasi may comment yung guy na parang turo. Guys, you should also like if you can also do like this. Babes, nagtuturo yung isa, like parang yun, ayaw ko yun, so X yun sa akin. Or like I'll also pick up on like how Willie Noir likes to cut the group in half, hatiin, tas pag face-to-face, something like that, or like do the run in a circle, something like ganyan. And that's what I want to do with my lab. You know, we have like, sobrang excited din ako on how I want to improve the lab. Certain things that I want to add to the lab and subtract from it, you know? From there, nakikurate ko rin, natututo rin ako sa mga ganito sa Afrojam and sa Monsters of Afro on how I conduct the lab. That's it. Sobrang fun. And I just can't emphasize enough the friends that I made in this camp sa Sydney. Wow. Sila Vincent, sila Tu, yung kasama ni Tu, na I'm bad with names. Hindi ko na maalala, pero I remember her. Blessing, hello, na nag-battle daw because of me. At natalo niya ako. Period, di ba? Blessing is amazing. She went to the finals. I only got like semifinals. Blessing, the other teachers, Dijo, sila medyo na nakachat-chat ko rin sila. Aliyah from AG Squad. I met her here. Period. And then she said, "Are you a Filipino?" Filipino? So, yeah. I knew from the start because like you're so good. I know Filipinos are so good. Period. Eme mo naman. But like, wow, just the people I met in this kasi minsan if may isip mo rin ang na-realize ko rin like Afrojam is so like cutthroat sometimes. Hindi naman cutthroat, but like people are so good there. Like there are freestyle classes over there. Gets mo ba? Kasi people there already know how to dance Afro and whatever style they are doing. And now Precious Alvarez is like teaching like freestyle class dahil marunong ka na. Here is just so nice to put my learnings to the test. Kasi ang mga kasama ko, I would say, ay parang like mga first timers na maka-experience ng Afro, ganyan, or like At sobrang, like, once a year lang kasi rin daw nila to ginagawa eh. So, parang wala pa sigurong, like, Afro community here, I would say. The very big, like, the Afro, like, yung strength or, like, the impact nung kanila. Wala pa, hindi pa sila masyadong malaki here. Yeah, so, sobrang nice lang na I get to be around those people again. Parang na-try ko, na-test ko yung mga natutunan ko. Now I am confident to freestyle. Like, to be selected in groups. Alam mo yun, sa classes, to like raise my hand and join the exchange. Na parang, okay, showcase, pakita, okay, I will teach them, ganyan. Volunteer ako for Willie's class to like play with the Jenga, to show to people. Like, these things, sobrang layo na nanarating natin because of that. And I remember it dahil kilala kita, Gab, at alam ko kung gaano katakot before. But still, sobrang layo pa. Sobrang layo pa rin. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. At kaya pa. Ang dami pang pwede matutunan at explore. And this is just like a good experience for that. I made friends. Yeah. I met a lot of friends. I showed up to the thing. You know? Sobrang fun lang. I'm just taking it all in. Let me check the time. 4:08. Probably open ng mga thing. Ang mga kainan. I don't know kung matutulog pa ako. My flight is at 11. Yeah. 11? I think so. Yeah. And tinatry kong abutan yung Kohl's, which is like the supermarket here. It opens at 6. So, probably get groceries and like snacks, mga chichirya na pwedeng dalhin sa Pilipinas. Kasi wala akong time nung mga nakarang araw. So, this is it. Uwi na tayo sa Pilipinas. We have a lot to do. We have a lot to share. Sobrang excited sa mga susunod mo pang ganap, Gab. I love you. I love you. Good morning.